Welcome to the Wozhuang Market channel. How to share the video feed from the SIYI A8 camera on a computer. First, modify the configuration of the A8 camera on the computer. After connecting the power to the A8 camera, connect it to the computer using a USB cable. Then, open the SIYI Assistant software on the computer and change the gateway configuration of the A8 camera. Select the Save. Next, proceed with the connection setup between the A8 camera and the other devices. We will be using the Skydroid H16 remote controller, the CUAV X7 Plus flight controller, and the A8 camera. The cables we will use are Telemo 1 cable, video transmission cable, Xbox cable, and the power module. The first cable is the Telemo 1 cable, connecting the output of the H16 receiver to the Telemo 1 ports of flight controller. The next is the video transmission cable, which needs to be made manually. Connect and assemble it according to the wiring sequence in the picture. The 5-pin interface connects to the LAN port of H16 receiver, and the 9-pin interface connects to the A8 camera. The third cable is the Xbox cable, connecting the Xbox ports of the H16 receiver to the RC ports of the flight controller. Lastly, use the power module to connect to the flight controller and power it. Then, separately connect the power to the A8 camera and the H16 receiver. After the connections are complete, open the SIYI FPV on the remote controller to check if the connections are normal. Then, click on the top right corner. Inside, you can see the video stream address of the camera. We will use this video stream address in the next steps. Next, open the settings and turn on the portable Wi-Fi hotspot of the H16 remote controller. Connect the computer to the Wi-Fi of the H16 remote controller. open the Q ground control, click on the application settings in the top left corner and find video settings in the general settings. Select the RTSP video stream and enter the camera address seen in SIYI FPV. Now, Q ground control can share the video image from the H16 remote controller. You can also share the video through VLC. Select Stream from the Network tab in VLC and enter the camera address obtained from CFTV. Click Play to share the video image from the H16 remote controller. This tutorial video is finished. Thanks for watching. Please follow our channel to watch more videos.